Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to the Mad Hatter Media channel. And if this is our first time meeting, my name is Clay. Hi. Okay, so this is the Incipio grip case. Let's get into it. Now this one is the Insignia blue case. You can also get it in a couple other options like clear and black. First of all, if you guys decide that you want to pick this case up, link is in the description. I paid $24 for this case because right now it's on sale, but the normal list price is $39.99. Alright, let's get into it. Just go ahead and slide it out and pop it out just like that. Simple and easy. That's it. I know we just unboxed it, but I've been using this case for a couple days now. First of all, let's get the big one out of the way. Is this a good buy, and is it worth the money? Long story short, if that's all you came here to know, yes. I think that this case is worth $25, and I also think that this case is worth paying $40. I'll tell you about that right now. But first, one more quick overview. So this case is built well. Honestly, I haven't liked a lot of Incipio products or cases in the past, but this one is a good one. The build quality is higher than what I feel like we usually see from them, and it absolutely delivers on the name, the grip case. Now, why would you buy this case? Well, if you're like me, what I was rocking before was pretty much the standard Apple leather case. I've always rocked these on iPhones. It's always the leather one, and it's always the black. But I'm out and about a lot, and I recently kind of realized just how thin that this case really is. So I wanted something with a little bit more protection without being too bulky, and this one hit the nail on the head. Another thing that I quickly realized that I liked about it is that there is not a big one, but a very useful and effective lip on the side of it all around. So that does offer a good amount of functionality without being too intrusive or too extra, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now moving on to the texture. Does it have good grip? Yes. Does it compare to what I call the king of grip, the actual D-brand grip case? No, it's not that grippy. The texture and what this is made out of has more of a grip. And that's going to be the case with any D-brand case. It is very identifiable in the hand, considering that you've got these guys, these rubber triangle textures. They definitely feel like they do what they're there to do. Now the tactility and separation of the foam buttons is good. I would give it an 8 on a good day and a 7 on a bad day. Now again, the D-brand case just happens to have the best of the best button indents or cutouts for whatever phone they're using. So it still doesn't compare to something like this, where you have clear tactility, good separation, and it's still very audible, like here. So clearly, that does it very well. This is not that, but it is still good, especially for $25. Now another thing that I like about this one that drew me to this colorway instead of just the black is the black is just all black. And with the blue option, obviously they went with a two-tone and it offsets it. It looks good. But the black is just black on black. And if you guys are wondering, I know it kind of looks like a two-piece case, but it's not. It's just one. It's just kind of made to look that way by design, but it is a one piece. Okay, so phone material and design execution is good. So I'm gonna give this case the approval, and if I had to give it a rating out of 10, let's just go with like an 8.6. That's where I'm at. That's what I feel like as far as this case goes. I hope this quick video helped you guys out and gave you a few more details before making your buying decision. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want to join the community and watch more reviews on quality products, well then you guys know what to do. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.